Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how to hide your friends list on Facebook. This is a great way to protect your privacy and control who can see your connections. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the Facebook app on your phone. Okay, so once you're logged in, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the three lines at the top right corner. Okay, so once you are here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, so once you are in the settings and privacy section, you have to scroll down and find the audience and visibility section. And now you have to tap on how people find you and contact you. Okay, so now here you can see an option of who can see your friends list. Okay, so now you have to tap on public to open the drop down menu. Okay, so now if you want to completely hide your friends list from everyone, just tap on only me. And that's it, you have successfully hidden your friends list on Facebook, giving you more control over your privacy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.